Today I'll show you how to make a clean plate. This is my footage, 700 to 740 frames. Here I'm going to remove this tower. What I'll do here, select this node, press tab, write down roto and take roto pane node. In roto pane node, I'll click here. This is the bezier mask, or press shortcut V, zoom in and create a garbage mask. Now I want to make some feather stuff here. So press Ctrl, click on this vertex and drag. If you want to adjust this feather, you can go to shape, feather follow off, and you can adjust. It will blend this color with this, and it will make the follow off here. So it will be a blending mode here. Now what I'll do, I'll come to roto paint, output module, I'll go to none, select, and I'll animate this mask. This is like garbage roto. Move some frames and change the position. It should match the position exactly where I create. So almost it's looking like it's attached with that position actually. Now I want to remove this and I want to place this sky and these glass buildings here. So what I'll do for that one, I'll go to my shape option, source, from where it will take the color, this area as source. Source will be my foreground. This is, so this will be my foreground. Now I'll go to clone option, translate. If I go to clone option, see, now I'm in shape, it's like this. Now if I come to clone, I'll get this circle, this target stuff, translate. I can make some, suppose 50, it will move my translate. So what I'll do here, I'll just move on this side, but see, nothing is happening. Very careful, I have to come to roto pane, output is the none. So what I'll do, I'll make it RGB. So now it's moving. Clone, I can move a little bit back more. Now this building should match, so y-axis I'll give 0. Now if I close this thing, I can remove these lines and I can play this stuff. Okay, if you're worried about this stuff, this moving here and there, don't worry, because I'll remove this stuff also and I'll make some rotoscope here. So same things I did for this stuff. This is my footage. This is the mask. I create 1, 2, 3, 4 masks. So now one by one I'll show you through this mask. If I select this mask, press 1, it will go through this mask. Okay, see, if I remove, it will clear this stuff. Then select this one, select this one, select this one. Very careful, if you double click only, then only you can see that these lines. Okay, these things. Okay, so I create 1, 2, 3, 4 masks. If I play it, I can see all. I remove here. Now I have to replace this part with actual buildings and this tower and that stuff. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create a roto. To create a roto in Nuke, you can use planet tracker that I used here. You can do by normal rotoscopy, or you can use any other softwares like Nuke, Silhouette, anything, because you need just alpha, this part. So I did rotoscope for this area. Okay, and in rotoscope pre-multiply I use RGB alpha. So if I look through here, I can see this area. If you are using any other software like Silhouette, Mocha, on that time you have to import that one, you have to attach with this footage, and after that one you have to use pre-multiply node, and to create the alpha. Now I create the merge. In merge, A is the foreground, B is the background. If I zoom in here, A is the foreground, B is the background. So this is my roto. It should be in foreground. So I can in foreground, and background means this stuff. Okay, this is the background. It will be background. So if I look through my merge, I can see this thing. It has come foreground as a background. Very simple things which are only foreground, background. What you can do, I'll show you. If I remove this, first select the foreground, then shift select background, press N. So it will select foreground as a, background as a B, and merge. In merge, nothing you should change, normal. Even operation also will be over, and over it come by default with merge, right? So if I play now, you can see this stuff. And same process you can use for your total scene. Hope you understand and enjoy. Thank you.